Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to resolve couldn't send message error on Samsung phone. Many users have complained about this issue, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix couldn't send message on Samsung with 7 best fixes. Solution 1, check SIM/top up recharge balance. All mobile carrier networks have specified rates that they charge for short message services, SMS. So, first check your account balance and ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the SMS cost, as SMS fees are charged per message segment. Solution 2, enable or disable airplane mode. A glitch in cellular connectivity on your Samsung device could prevent messages from going to the recipients. Enabling and disabling the airplane mode after some time will refresh your mobile networks and fix connectivity-related issues causing couldn't send message error. To do so, swipe down or up your notification panel. Find the airplane mode and click on it. This will enable the airplane mode on your phone. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and turn it back off. Solution 3, delete old conversations. Sending and receiving texts may become problematic if the message inbox is full. Try to delete some old conversations that have lots of attachments. To do this, you have to open the Samsung Messages app. Tap menu icon located at the upper right corner. Then, tap on Edit. Select the messages you want to erase. If you want to delete all messages, tap All at the upper left. To confirm, tap Delete. Solution 4, force stop default messages app. The next solution to fix Samsung S20 couldn't send message error is to force stopping the default messages app. For that, you have to go to the settings on your phone. Then Apps/Application Manager. Now, go to App List and find your default messages app there, then click on it. Finally, click on the force stop option. Solution 5, clear messages app cache and data. Clearing messages app cache is another method that can help you removing all the temporary stored files and fix app error and network related issues easily. To clear your messaging app cache, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the default messaging app. On the apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 6, delete the contact and add it again. You can even fix Samsung couldn't send message error by deleting the contact and adding it again to your device. Though you can delete the contact by opening the Contacts app, selecting the contact, then going to More. After this, tap on Delete option. Now, you can add the contact again to your device and try to send message. Solution 7, change SIM preference. Most of the time the wrong SIM selected for SMS sending causes this error. If you have 2 SIM cards, then check if you have set the right SIM card for messaging or not. To check messaging preference, go to Settings, then tap on SIM cards and mobile data/networks. Tap on SMS messages and choose the right SIM card which can send messages.